Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's event, Unraveling the Mystery with Forensic Aspirants, organized by Shivi Forensics. My name is Totla Mahasri, and I'll be your host for the session. We are thrilled to have you all here for an insightful discussion on the topic Deep Fake Detection in Forensic Science. Today's student speaker is Ms. Shreya Sri, BSc Second Year Forensic Science, Shorts University. I now invite Ms. Shreya Sri to take the stage and share the knowledge.
Thank you, Mahashri, and good morning, everyone. Let's start. My topic is today deepfake detection in digital forensic science. What does mean? Basically, deepfake are mainly created using advanced AI models like GAN. GAN full form is Generative Advanced Real Networks, which generate realistic fake media. Introduction of deepfake detection. Defect detection is an important part of digital forensic science, which focuses on identifying fake images, videos, and audio created using artificial intelligence. The word deepfake comes from deep learning, and fake meaning a false media file created by advanced computer technology. In deepfake content, a person's face, voice, or action are digitally modified to look real even though the content is completely manipulated. In recent years, deepfake technology has grown rapidly and has been misused in many crimes such as identity theft, online fraud, blackmail, fake politics speeches, spreading misinformation, and cyber harassment. First of all, we will start how deepfake is created using AI tool. First is collecting data means the creator collects many images and videos of the target person. Second, face swapping or face generation means replace face one person to another. It adjusts the face according to lighting angle and expression. Third, lip syncing. It creates realistic mouth movement according to speech. Fourth, voice cloning means audio deepfake. It can generate fake speeches in the same voice. And last, final editing and rendering. After face and voice generated, the deepfake is proceed as a final video. This is the steps using created AI tools deepfake. Next, difference between edited and deepfake video. What is edited and deepfake video? Meaning, edited video, a video changed using normal editing software, but deepfake video, a video creating using AI tools like face voice. Technology used in edited video, simple video editing tools, cut, trim, filters, and deepfake video, AI plus deep learning and plus networking. Main changes editing video, adding effects, cutting clips, color correction. Deepfake video, changing identifying faces and voices. Purpose improve quality or change video style, create fake identity. Realism क्या है? Easy to notice something, look very realistic. Example, removing unwanted part of video, making someone say something and never said. Detection can be detected by checking cuts and effects. Risk level, less harmful usually. Highly dangerous fraud, blackmail, and fraud uses. Next type of deepfake. First, video deepfake. Video deepfake is the most popular and dangerous type because it can show a person doing or saying something that never happened. Like first, face swap deepfake. Face swap deepfake means replacing one person face with another person face in a video. Example, a criminal replaces a celebrity face onto another person video to create fake content. Used in fake porns video, political fake speeches, blackmailing. Second, lip syncing deepfake. Lip syncing deepfake means changing the mouth movement so that the person looks like they are speaking something else. Example, a politician real video is taken and AI changes the lip movement to match fake speeches used in fake news, spreading misinformation and defaming someone. Third, body manipulation deepfake. Body manipulation means AI changes the full body movement, gestures, or postures of a person. Example, making a person appear to be fighting, stealing, or doing illegal activities. Used in false evidence creation, false surveillance video, fake criminal videos. Is audio deepfake. What is audio deepfake means? Creating a fake voice recording using AI, where the voice sounds like a real person. Voice cloning. Voice cloning means copying a person using voice AI. Example, making a face audio clip of a celebrity or boss saying something. Used in fake recordings, cyber harassment, fraud calls. Fake phones call or fraud means this is a very common misuse of audio deepfake. Example, hello, I am your son. I am in trouble, send me money. Used in online scams, financial fraud, identity theft. Third is image deepfake. Means fake or AI generated photographs that looks real but are not original. Fake photographs are the edited or AI modified images. Example, adding a person into a photo where they never existed. Used in fake proof for social media, blackmail, defamations. Second is AI generated human faces. AI can generate faces of people who do not exist in real life. Example, fake profile picture used in social media scam. Used in fake account, identity fraud, cybercrime, catfishing. Deepfake crime, their impact. Deepfake are not just used for entertainment. Many crimes use deepfake technology to commit serious crime. Deepfake crimes can affect individuals, society, government, and even the legal system. First, fake political speeches. Deepfake video can show political leaders saying things they never said. How it is misused. Fake speeches are created to spread hatred. Deepfake videos are used to influence elections. Leaders are so supporting wrong ideas or making controversial statements. Celebrities are common targets because their images are easily available on online. First, impact. Create confusion in public, cause riots and violence, damage democracy, misleads voters during election, increases political tension between countries. Like example, a fake video of a prime minister announcing war or emergency can create panic. Second, fake celebrity video. How it is misused. Fake videos are made showing celebrities and inappropriate acts. Advers- Advertisements are created using celebrity face and voice. Fake interviews are uploaded on social media. What is it? Impact? Public is folded easily. Celebrities lose reputations. False rumors spread quickly. Fake endorsement lead to scam. Pornographic deepfake misuse. Misuse. What is pornographic? This is most common harmful and common uses of deepfake. How it is misused? A person face is added to pornographic video. Mostly targeted victim are women, celebrities, and even students also. What is impact? Emotional trauma to victim. social humiliations, damage to career and relationship. Victims may suffer depression and anxiety, sometimes lead to suicide cases. For the fake evidence in legal cases, deepfake can be used to create fake evidences in court cases. How it is misused? Fake CCTV footage is generated, fake confession video is made, fake audio recording is proceed. What is impact? Innocent people can be punished, real criminals can escape, court decision can become wrong, trust in justice system decreases. This is a major threat because court depend on digital evidence. Sixth, financial fraud through voice deepfake. Voice deepfake is now widely used in banking fraud and scam. How it is misused? Criminal copies voice of CEO, manager or family members. They call employees or relative asking for money transfer. They create emergency situation to force quick action. What is it impact? Use money loss, company fraud crisis increases, victim lost trust in phone communications, banking and digital payment security becomes weak. Like example, if fake calls in boss voice asking employee to transfer money urgently. Now, how digital forensic experts help in deepfake detection? First, collecting evidence. We have to maintain chain of custody. Second, report verifying authenticity. Like experts check whether the file is real or fake, like file format, size, device information, and file history also. Third, detecting editing traits. Means detecting editing traces means we will be about phase boundaries, error, lightning mismatch, unnaturally blinking, robotic voice tone. And third is detecting editing traces. We will like about phase boundaries, error, lightning mismatch, unnaturally robotic voice tone, expression, and also lot of things. And last, reporting results for legal issues. After analysis, forensic experts prepare a detailed forensic reports. That's the report include tools and method used, like findings and proof or manipulations, and conclusion like fake or real videos. Method used in deepfake detection. What is method used in detection? First, visual analysis. Visual analysis means video forensic, like making fake videos. Visual analysis is one of the most common method used in deepfake detection. In this method, digital forensic experts carefully observe the video to find unnatural or suspicious changes. Since deepfake videos are created by AI, they often contain small mistakes which can be identified through detailed observation. Experts analyze the face, body movement, lighting, and expression frame by frame to detect manipulations. Like point checked in visual analysis. First, unnatural facial expression. How can we detect? Look like step artifice like cannot matching emotions. Example, the person is smiling, but I look emotionless. Okay. Second is blinking problem. Blinking problem error means eye blinking is a natural human action. AI sometimes fails to copy it properly. Third, skin tone mismatch. Tone mismatch means like AI sometimes cannot blend face properly with the body. Fourth, head movement mismatch means when a person moves their head, the face should move naturally with correct angle and motion. But sometimes the face look like it is flirting on the body. Fifth, teeth and lip mismatch. Sometimes AI created problems in mouth area. This is common in lips and deep face because this is common. They not blend properly. Teeth, like sixth and last, distorted ears, hairs, or glasses. Means AI mostly focus on the face, but it often fails to create details like ear shape, hair edges, and spectral reflection. Okay. Now, audio forensic detection, deep fake detection method. Audio forensic detection is an important method used in digital forensic science to identify audio deepfakes. Audio deepfake means a person voice recording created using AI where the voice sounds like a real person but the speech is completely generated or modified. Audio deepfakes are dangerous because they are used in fraud calls, fake threats, fake evidence, and misinformation. Now, sign checked in audio defect detection. What is a sign? First, unnatural voice frequency. Every human voice has a natural frequency, pitch, and tone. AI generated voices as may show unnatural pitch changes, sudden frequency jumps, voice sounding too smooth. Forensic experts analyze voice frequency pattern to check whether the voice is real or AI made. Second, robotic tone or uneven breathing. AI voices often lack natural human breathing and emotions. Experts checks for robotic voice effects, unnatural pauses, missing breathing sound, same tone throughout the audio, unnatural speed of Reality Defenders. Reality Defender is a modern AI based tool used for detecting deepfake video and audio. Sixth, NVID verification tool. NVID is a popular verification tool used for journalists and investigators. Steps in deepfake forensic investigation. Step 1, evidence collection. Secure storage like chain of custody maintained. Experts maintain a proper chain of custody, which means records who collected the file, date and time of collection, where it is stored, who exerted it later. This ensure evidence is not altered and remain legally valid. Step 2, file authentication. After collecting evidence, experts check whether the file is genuine or modified. Experts verify file format like MP4, AVI, JPG, WVA, and etc. File size, resolution, metadata, details, data device, software used, has value, MD5 SHA 1, SHA 256. Anyone who know what is his values? Haze value is a fixed length, alphanumeric string generated by a cryptographic algorithm that act as a unique digital fingerprint for data for any sizes. It is one way process used to verify data integrity, store passwords securely, and identify files quickly without revealing the original content. This is Haze values. Types of Haze value like MD5, SH1, SH256. Third, report preparation. Final forensic report include case details and evidence description, tools and method used, screenshots and analysis result, metadata and has rule details, final conclusion, real or deepfake, experts' opinion for legal use. These reports is submitted to police, cybercrime department, court, and digital evidence. Like first, amplified authenticates tool means mainly used in detects editing, sign in videos, photos. check comparison error, improves evidence clarity of investigations. Second is online, mainly used in error level analysis. Like we say that ELA, full form is error level analysis, clone detection, noise analysis, metadata checking. It is here are the used of this tool. Deepfake scanner, mainly used in using AI to identify face manipulations. Microsoft Video Authentication, rarely used in gives a confidence score how real or fake video is. It is mainly a sign for media verifications. Fifth is Reality Defender, means generally used in detect voice, audio, face recognition, smiling, expression, lightning, and other things are also detect checks online misinformation content. Sixth is NVID verification tool. NVID verification tool generally used for it is popular verification tools used by journalists and investigators. These are the tools used for the defect detection: voice, face, audio, deep scanners, reality defenders, and verification tools. Now, conclusion: defect detection has become a very important part of digital forensic science because deepfake technology is growing rapidly and is being misused for crime like fraud, blackmail, fake political speeches, fake evidences, and misinformation. Deepfakes are dangerous because they look real, can easily mislead people, media, and even legal authorities. Digital forensic experts play a major role in identifying deepfake content by using methods such as visual analysis, frame by frame examinations, metadata checking, audio forensic techniques, and AI based detection tool. They also maintain proper evidence collection procedure and prepare forensic reports that can be used in case. And all about it means or anatomical irregularities, looking for abnormal blinking, unnatural eyes, movement, or as noted as MIT Media Lab and innovatories issues with teeth, ears, or blending boundaries. Uh, One more, temporal inconsistencies, analyzing frame to frame changes by unnatural lightning, shadow, inconsistencies between speech and mouth movements, digital forensic analysis, and inspecting metadata, file comparison, history, and pixel level data for artifacts created by generative model example GAN. Biobehavior analysis means evaluating if the behavior matches the person typical memories as described in the Paravision AI white paper example. Sometimes it detect active detection using imperceptible watermarks or blockchain as highlighting in studies on European data protection, supervisor and CDOT to verify content authenticity. Challenges and limitation. What is challenge and a limitation about the defect detections in digital forensic science? Like rapid evolution means deepfake generation technique improve faster than detection method, often leading to a cat and mouse games according to Pindrop. Sometimes low quality inputs like blurry, compressed, or noisy media can hinder the reliability of detection, as explained on the European Data Protection Supervisor sites. Uh, and generalizations models trained one type of deepfake like face swapping may not perform well on other, example voice cloning, as explained on pin drops. The this is what I'm saying. Tech, technique include analyzing pixel irregularities, unnatural facial movements, lighting, and digital fingerprints. It is crucial for preventing frauds, misinformation, and reputation damage. Thank you. And now we will start MCQ question on defect detection in digital forensic science. I will I ask you, then you will answer me. First is defect technology mainly use is which method? First is cloud computing, deep learning and AI, data entry and networking. Deepsika Rawat be right. Deepfake learning and AI is the answer of deepfake technology mainly uses which method? Okay. Okay. Second is which of the following is a type of video deepfake? Voice cloning, face swap, hazing, encryption. Okay. B is the right answer. Face swap. Now, deepfake are commonly generated using which deep learning architecture? First is linear regression, decision tree, generative, adversarial network. K means clustering. Which one? What is the right answer? Sangeeta C. Yes, right answer. Okay, everyone is right. Which of the following is a common artifact in deepfake videos? First, high resolution texture, inconsistent eye blinking, strong corruptions, increased battery used. Yes, B. Which of the following can reduce deepfake detection accuracy? First, high quality video, uncompared video, social media comparison, and fourth, high frame rate. Which of the following can reduce deepfake detection accuracy? Which one? High quality video, uncompressed video, social media comparison, high frame rate. Anyone?
D.
What? B कह रहे हो?
D.
D,
C. C.
no. Yes, yes, C. Social media comparison.
Yes.
And C, 6 is NVID tools is mainly used for DNA matching, social media video verification, ballistics comparison, malware creations. Yes, B. Anamika Rani would. Social media video verifications is the right
Answer
answer.
is B.
Yes, right. Now, seventh, in deepfake audio background, noise mismatch usually indicates first natural recording, AI generation or spelling, high microphone quality, encryption. Which one is the correct? In deepfake audio, background noise mismatch usually indicates natural recording, AI generation spelling, high microphone quality, and encryption. Tell me which one the right answer. High microphone quality is the right answer. B is also right, but high microphone quality is the right answer. Eight is which of the following is an important steps before analysis in forensic defect investigation? Uploading file to social media, creating duplicate editing copy, maintaining chain of custody, increasing video speed. Yes, maintaining.
Maintaining chain of custody.
Yes, maintaining chain of custody, right? Okay. Now, what is the major forensic value of frame by frame analysis? Reduces file size, detect micro level glitches and face flickering, adds watermark, removes metadata. What is the correct answer?
Options B.
Detect microsoft. Yes. Yes, yes. Answer B is correct. Detects micro level glitches and face flicking. Now, what of the following is a forensic challenges in deepfake detection?
B.
Too much too much metadata available, deepfake model improving continuously, deepfake files are always large, deepfake videos are always low quality. Answer is B, correct. Okay. Now, thank you. Anyone have doubt? Tell me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Shreyasri, for your enlightening presentation. We appreciate your efforts in sharing valuable insights into deepfake detection. Thank you to all participants for being part of this event by Shivi Forensics and making this session informative and successful.